We've made our favorite foods better, cheaper, and now it's time to make them faster. When you order food, the order is never perfect. They get the order wrong, it's delayed, the food is soggy. People think it's impossible for home cooking to be just as fast and equally, if not better. But we're here to prove that wrong. The rules to this series are simple. I need to make a gourmet meal in the same amount of time, if not faster, than the time that it takes to order it. Go out, pick it up, and bring it back. This isn't just a race against the clock. We're sending someone out, you'll be able to see both of our POVs, and hopefully, home cook or not, you'll learn a damn thing. Or at least have fun.
I'm sorry, but the person you called. How may I help you?
Orange chicken.
Just 10 minutes, sir.
Thank you.
Recipe on the website. First thing, oil in, oil's heating. While that's going, we have to cook our rice, but problem with doing it in a rice cooker is it's gonna take like 40 minutes. I love my zojirushi, but it's just not gonna work. Normally I would not do this, but under this constraint, we can learn how to save time. Rice in, water. Even though I'm in a huge rush, I'm still washing my rice. Pressure cooker will literally cut the cook time in half. Water, manual, and we'll set that to 3 minutes. That's going. This is heating. I haven't used a pressure cooker in a long time, so I don't really know if I'm doing this right or not.
It's just a regular day at the J-Dub Entertainment, picking up orange chicken for this feast we're about to have. I hope you guys like chicken.
While that's heating, board, chicken, knife, cut this into bite-sized pizzas. You should be able to put the whole thing in your mouth. And I know a lot of you can do that. Boom, boom, in. How far away is this restaurant?
10 minutes.
Oh boy, little bit. White pepper, salt, generously. Normally I would cure these, but we don't really have time for that. So we toss that, just let it sit. Oh my God, the oil's completely cold. Get our dredging station ready. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, whisk that shit up. Boom, dredge. Part of what makes someone fast in the kitchen isn't just that they move quickly, it's the choices that they make when they move. Make sense? We're ready for the sauce.
You know, another thing I'm hoping for is no one makes the chicken too hard, bro. I got these braces.
Sauce is quite simple and I don't fully remember the recipe. I'm gonna have to figure it out. You have all of your equipment near you and in the places that you need it so that you're not fighting against yourself while you're cooking. Ugh. Do I look stressed out? Maybe I am. Let's add oil. A teaspoon of sesame oil and a teaspoon vegetable oil. Heating over medium. Cut our garlic. Give it a nice rough chop. Terrible idea to chop this. Garlic's chopped. Now half of that is going in, but we're gonna reserve the other half on the side.
Now we're about to pull up and get this orange chicken.
We've got some ginger here. Peeling with a peeler is great, but I actually much prefer a spoon. I'm gonna learn my lesson and actually grate it this time. And let this garlic toast. I've got a chili here. This will be added at the end with the garlic. Open this filler up nice and neat. All right, this is where technique comes in to save your Oh, it's done. We let this release naturally, which I just learned about via Google 2 minutes ago. We'll just let it sit. Jesus, this knife is so dull. This is a rarity for me, why now?
Right now, I think there's a lot of yelling going on in the kitchen. I feel like things are being thrown.
Finely dice. All right, our veg is nice and toasted. And you just kind of go around. Get our orange slices, juice that directly to our pan.
So they got to the restaurant.
Oh, are they really already there?
Great day to eat some chicken. It smells good, it's so warm. Yeah.
It was faster than expected. I should have known this would happen. Crank this temp up. We got vinegar, soy sauce. This recipe will be on the website, okay? Sugar, water, our orange zest, and a little splash of Shaoxing. And that's gonna come up to the boil. The sauce is going. This is heated. The chicken's ready to coat. Oh, we're at temp 2. We fry now? We can wait, actually. I think we can afford to wait. The whole point is that we're doing multiple things at once. If you don't do that, this will take you significantly longer, and that is where most home cooks go wrong. You wanna go wrong? Is that what you want? We do need to thicken this, so we have a cornstarch slurry, equal parts. This is boiling. Just wanna make sure that all that sugar gets dissolved. It should be nearly there. I feel good. I'm now running out of real estate. I'm gonna bread and fry this chicken. I usually do this in batches, but you know what? Do we have time for that? Hell no! So you toss it. I forgot that you can bread chicken this quickly. I'm learning something here right now. Chicken is coated. That's going in. We're frying. I feel like I'm forgetting something. It's not, does this get tossed in an egg or anything? I feel good. So ow, cornstarch slurry, stir that in nicely. Hopefully that was enough slurry. Could be breaded more, could be breaded a lot more. But the thickness of this sauce looks great. Green onion. Okay, that should be enough. You know, I thought we might have time for vegetables. I was very wrong about that. Even when I'm in a rush, I'm still gonna clean up a little bit. That's another thing that kind of ruins the whole cooking speed, right? This is done, I think. That's not thick enough. And we do not have time to wait for it to reduce. We're gonna stir that bad boy in there until it's as thick as we want it to be. There we go. Is my rice already ready? Maybe this pressure cooker thing really is good after all. Let's see if it explodes. Ah!
Once again, I hope there's nothing on fire. I hope Vikram didn't get hit with a pan.
God, that looks awful. Actually, it might be all right. That's actually not bad. I'm blown away. So now you know you can make rice in 15 minutes instead of 40 minutes, and it's not bad. Is it perfect? No, but if you're in a hurry, there's your option. Now this is done, I finished this. Yay! Yay! Akram, which one do you like? This one? Okay. I hate this new series. Is this even good? How the f did that work? It's got really good chew to it too. I've lost my goddamn scoop. Oh, it's in there. I guess the question is it cooked? Oh, thank God it's cooked. Okay, they should be getting here any minute. Well, I should be plating any minutes. How about that?
I'm pretty sure he's done.
Yeah, do a little bit for the B-roll. Ha ha ha, da 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 da.
I'm confident that he's done.
Toss it in the sauce, generously. Orange chicken. Full, there, on. Why is it spicy? Right on top. Okay, yeah! Where the are they?
We're back, we're here. Hey, where you at? We just got back, just parked.
First one was a tough one, but nonetheless, we did make orange chicken in the correct amount of time. A bit of a challenge, a bit rushed. Oh, see, they're here, but this has been sitting here for like 2 minutes.
They locked the door.
And mine's fresh. I know theirs is condensating, just becoming mushy and ushy. You want that? So despite it being rushed, it can still be made in under an hour. What was the time on this? 28 minutes. 28 minutes. If you want to move a little slower, you can make this in an hour and have something egregiously better, I assume, but we'll taste test and finalize that now.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah.
So while we were cut, we found out something that only proves my point more. They gave us the wrong order. This is ramen. If you had just made it yourself, you wouldn't even have to deal with that possibility, would you? I would love to say that this is a joke, but this is actually what happened. We need people to vote on this, so we have someone going out to get more orange chicken, but in the meantime, hurry up, hurry. Honestly, I thought the speed was really gonna affect this. This is from our Panda Express recipe, and it's just as good as I remember. Some of the pieces of chicken didn't quite get fully breaded, but the majority of them are really nice. The rice is great. I will say the rice isn't as good as if it was in the Zoji Rushi. In terms of how close it got, 80%. Let's bring on the voting round. We got our other orange chicken. I like how they have a piece of, yeah, that's not orange, that's yellow. We're gonna do a blindfold taste test train. Depending on which dish they like, they'll vote 1 or 2. The toothpick. Bite the damn thing. Come on, you're doing something. Coming in. Here it is right here. I'm not gonna let you go anywhere bad, Kendrick. Yummy. Woo! Obviously this is not but better, but it is better, and we made it just as fast. But better, faster? Oh my God.
What is that? What is that? Are you a unicorn? Yeah, millennials. I don't know what you're doing.
If this ain't a euphoria moment, I don't know what it is. You may not be able to be as fast as me. That's totally fine. That's okay. You can still make it quickly with the proper technique. You can make great food within a reasonable amount of time, quickly, dare I say, but fasterly. You know what the hell I mean, okay? Don't make me say that again. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you think of this new series. Do you like it? Do you not like it? A lot of people have been asking for this, so we're doing it. This one dude literally commented on like every single video for like 6 months. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something, leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you, and hopefully on another But Faster.